Good afternoon. Thanks for introduction again, Jan. Hospitals, healthcare institutions, they all invest a lot of money in infrastructure, in equipment, even medical expertise. But one aspect is not considered pretty well, one factor which can really impact decrease of patient satisfaction and increase of cancellation of appointments, and also limitation of revenue. And that factor is a flow management, patient flow management process. And today I will speak about impact of wait time in queues, which impacts business strongly. There are different types of researches, and American Journal of Managed Care made a research where they proved that 84% of people consider short waiting duration a priority when choosing a medical institution, which means if you have really great clinical experience, great quality, but you don't care about the experience which customers will have, then it can be risky for you to lose your customers. Another really important aspect, another problem, is the missed appointments. I found only in US markets research, which is made by NGMA. They have found out that clinics, the healthcare industry, they lose $150 billion yearly because of missed appointments. Behind of each missed appointment, there is lost resources, inefficient staff performance, inefficient allocation of resources, and all this impacts the business. And without proper flow management system, healthcare institutions, they face predictable challenges. Overloaded waiting rooms, high patient stress, consistently high number of canceled visits, and inefficiency in staff and resource utilization. And here you can see in different healthcare institutions, there can be mainly three. We separate the flows in three types. It's patients which are coming with appointment with doctor, patients which just come like walking patients and just enter the clinic. In Armenia, it's very common. People don't plan their visit; they just are coming to the clinic. But at the same time, there are some clinics which really wants to be more advanced and more organized. They do appointments also, but also there are emergency patients. And unfortunately, all flows, they are mixed at the same time. And this generates a lot of problems in the healthcare institutions. Even if you have a great team which is organized pretty well, these situations generate so many problems. Because of this, there can be some unexpected situations, even sometimes some fights between the patients when they have to fight for their turn in the line if it's not structured. And here you can see we decided to visualize the situation. Usually, customers, they are coming to the reception, and there are different type of departments where you have to go. You are going to physicians consultancy, after that you go to the lab testing or diagnostics or different places. But all these departments, they are all managed, the flows are managed differently. And they are interconnected. Sometimes you have to go from this department to another, or in the same department you have to get different type of services, but you have to wait always in these queues. First queue, second queue, third queue, I don't know. And you waste a lot of time, which generates a lot of negative. And we have created a platform which is one universal platform, earlyone, through which you can manage all these flows with one system. All appointments, flows are managed with earlyone, and you can real-time monitor what is happening in your practice. And as a result, the patient stress level when reduced 40%. When stress level reduced when wait time is shortened. This is calculated by British Journal of Health Psychology. And there is another financial metric which have been calculated by Healthcare Financial Management Association. Revenue growth, there is 25 revenue growth because of reduction of wait time and also cancellations. Here you can see number of several clients, not several, quite a lot of clients, Armenian healthcare institutions, which use our technology already. Not only in Armenia, we have clients in Moldova, and Georgia, and soon in Kyrgyzstan and Belarus. And I want to highlight two organizations. One is the Vartanants Medical Center and Ajak Medical Center, because they have integrated our system into all their processes, and all appointments, flows, these queues, everything is managed by earlyone. And we gathered huge expertise in this field, and we will be happy to share this knowledge with all interested organizations, where we can bring also this technology to improve your customer experience. Just the last words, customer experience is really crucial for business, and we know it from different industries, from banking till government. And in healthcare, it's more important to have great technologies to bring more value to your customers. And if you will invest in this field and you will care about your customers, you will really value the power of loyalty of your customers. Thank you.